the youth to be aware of mental health issues? Once again, why is it important for the youth to be aware of mental health issues?
I believe that it is so important and significant for the youth to know about or be knowledgeable about mental health. First is because mental health is really prevalent in our society right now, especially in our generation. As you heard, there is someone who couldn't handle how he felt, so he resorted to what he thinks is the solution. So I think that it is important not just to know about the mental health, not just to know about what we should do, but we should know, we should inform, we should spread awareness and more information about the mental health issues right now in our society. So I think and I believe that I should say to everyone that if you need someone to listen, and if someone must listen, please do. Because not every day, not every night, you know what someone is going through. So please, listen, be willing to help, and be willing to inspire to continue what they live on. Thank you.